Question number 31. Payal, Trupti, Pallavi start running around a circular stadium together and complete one round in how many seconds? 6 seconds and 15 seconds and 12 seconds respectively. In how much time will they meet again at the starting point or not? Nothing but we required starting point, common time or not? Starting point, common time. Common time means common multiple or not? Common time means common multiple. What is the common multiple of 6 seconds, 15 seconds and 12 seconds? What is the LCM of 6, 12, 15? 60 seconds or not? 60 seconds means how many minutes? 1 minute or not? That is the answer. Next question number 32. The compound interest occurred and an amount at the end of the 2 years at the rate of 13% per annum is 2298.27. What is the amount required? Amount value or interest value? Amount. Actually it is principal only. We are not required amount. It is principal value are required. What is the principal value? Principal means how much percent? 100%. The compound interest occurred an amount at the end of the 2 years at the rate of 13% per annum. What is the rate of percent? 13%. Rate of percent 13%. Time period is given how many years? 2 years. 13% for 2 years means what is the compound interest? First year 13. Second year 13 plus 13% of 13% or 13 plus 13 26 plus 13% of 13% 1.69. Total it is 27.69% or 27.69% of principal value or amount value? Principal value. It is equal to what is the compound interest? 22,098.27 or not? Okay. We required which one? Principal value or not? Left hand side 2 decimals, right hand side also 2 decimals or not? Left hand side denominator percentage. Left hand side percentage means it must be denominator 100 or not? It will become right hand side into 100 or not? Then answer must be ending with 2 zeros or not? What is the left hand side units position? 9. Right hand side units position 7. Possibility 3 times or not? Ending with 300. How many options? Only one or not? 8,300. Next question number 33. What would be the probability of drawing 3 kings from a pack of 52 cards? Total how many cards? 52 cards. Out of the 52 cards we are taken how many cards? 3 cards. That 3 must be kings or not? First we return what is the total probability? 52 C3 or not? In that favorable cases, what is the number of kings? 4 kings or not? Then we return 4 C3 or not? Okay. 4 C3 by 52 C3. Number of kings are 4. In that 4 kings we are choose 3 or not? Nothing but 4 C3 by 52 C3. 4 C3 means we return 4 into 3 into 2. Denominator 1 into 2 into 3 or not? Again denominator 52 C3, nothing but 52 into 51 into 50 or not? Okay. In numerator denominator value 1 into 2 into 3. Denominator also denominator value 1 into 2 into 3. Both are cancelled or not? Next 4 how many times 52? 13 times or not? 2 how many times 50? 25 times or not? Then 3 again how many times 51? 17 times or not? Okay. Then numerator value 1, denominator 13 into 17. 13 into 17 means it is 221 into how much? 25. 25 into 221. It is more than 5,000 or not? But nearby 5,000. Which option? First option or not? 5525. Next question number 34. Related to permutation, combination or not? In how many different ways can the letters of the word limiting be arranged? Total how many letters? 8 letters anode. Okay, then we written 8 factorial anode by, out of the 8 letters, how many letters are repeated? I is repeated 3 times or 2 times? 3 times. I is repeated 3 times anode. Then we written denominator 3 factorial anode. 8 factorial by 3 factorial. 8 factorial by 3 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 anode. Because numerator 3 factorial, denominator 3 factorial cancel. First 4 5s are how much? 20 into 6, 120. 120 into 7, 840. 840 into 8 anode. Nothing but 6720 anode. Next question number 35. The diameter of a circle is how much? 11.2 centimeters. What is the circumference of the circle? We required circumference of a circle. What is the circumference formula? 2 pi r. Answer must be 11 multiple anode. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option yes. Third one no. Fourth one no. Fifth one no anode. Then answer 35.2. Or else what is the diameter value? 11.2. Then radius 11.2 by 2 anode. Next, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r anode. Nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 anode. 2 get cancelled anode. 7 almost 1.6 times. 22 into 1.6. 35.2 anode. Next question number 36. Related to trains concept or not? A 290 meters long train crosses a pole in how many seconds? 50 seconds. What is the speed of the train or not? Here train passes a which one? Pole. When a train passes a pole means total distance are only train length. What is the train length is given? 290. What is the time are given? 50 seconds or not? We required which one? Speed value. Speed nothing but distance by time. 0 are cancelled. 29 by 5. 29 by 5 means we written 58 by 10 or not? 58 by 10. Answer 5.8 meter per second. Next question number 37. Related to profit and loss or not? Parul earned a profit of 40% on selling an article for 12,880. What was the cost price of the article? Cost price is always how much percent? 100%. 40% profit means selling price are 140%. But in place of 140%, how much value are given? 12,880 or not? First numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel or not? Okay. 4 how many times? 8. What is the units position? Denominator 4. Numerator units position 8. Possibility either 2 or 7 or not? How many options are ending with 2 or 7? Only one option or not? Because already numerator 100 means answer should end with either 200 or 700. How many options are ending with either 200 or 700? Only one option. Third option or fourth option? Third. Next question number 38. On Teachers' Day, sweets were to be equally distributed amongst 450 children. But on that particular day, 150 children remain absent. Hence, each child got 2 sweets or extra. How many sweets was each child originally supposed to get or not? Okay. Originally, how many children? 450 children. Each children are received X chocolates or not? Each one are received X. What is the number of children? 450. Each one are received X. What is the total chocolates? 450 into X. Second day, how many members are absent? 150. What are the remaining members? 300 or not? Out of 450, 150 absent means remaining 300. But that 300 members, each one, how many sweets are extra? 2 sweets. Already previous day X. Present X plus 2 or not? Okay. 300 into x plus 2. What is the left hand side value? Total speeds or not? Right hand side also total speeds. Equal or different? Speed into time or not? Equal distance or not? 153 times 150 2 times. 3x and 2x difference? X. 2 2s are 4. X value 4 or not? X nothing but initially each one getting chocolates or not? How many chocolates? 4 or not? Chocolates or sweets? Sweets. Next question number 39. Kiriti is thrice as old as which one? Mithun. And Apurva is 2/3 of which one? Kiriti's age. If Apurva is 42 years old, what is the Mithun's age or not? How many persons here? 3 persons. K, M, A or not? Apurva is 2/3 of which one? K or not? Means K is how many parts? 3 parts. Apurva 2 parts or not? K is thrice as old as which one? M or not? Means M value 1 part or not? Okay. And what is the Apurva value? 42. Means 2 parts are given 42. What is the 1 part value? 21. We required Mithun value or not? What is the Mithun value? 21. Next question number 40. What would be the perimeter of a square with area is equal to which one? 361. What is the area of a square? A square. A square equal to how much? 361. What is the A value? 19. But we required perimeter of a square or not? Nothing but we required 4A or not? Then answer 4 into 19 or not? How much? 76. Next question number 41. Simplifications. First left hand side, first term last 2 digits. Every value last 2 digits. Minus 48 or plus 48? Minus 48. Second one, plus 38. Every value last 2 digits. Minus 48 plus 38. Minus 10. Minus 10 minus 12. Minus 22. Minus 22 plus 33. Plus 11. Plus 11 becomes minus 11 or not? 11 minus 11. Zeros or not? Okay. Next. Verify the units position in all the values or not? Okay. Minus 2 plus 7 plus 5. Plus 5 minus 9. Plus 5 minus 9. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7. Plus 3. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Value ending with 1. Okay. How many options are ending with 1 square? 29 and 31 or not? Okay. Next, verify the last 2 second digit. Minus 7 plus 3. Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4. Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 9. Plus 1. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay. 4. Ending with 4 or not? Ending with 4 1. How many options? 29 square or 31 square? 29 square. What is the 29 square value? 841 or not? Ending with 4 1 means it is 31 square or 29 square? 29 square. Next question number 42. First priority 34 square or not? What is the 34 square? 1156. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting or not? 70 minus 56. 70 minus 56. 14. 17 minus 11. 6. Okay. What is the left hand side numerator value? 11,052. It is divided by which one? 614 or not? What is the units position numerator? 2. Denominator 4. Possibility either 3 or 8. How many options are ending with 3 or 8? Only one option, that is 18 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Next, mixed fractions ಅನ್ನೋದು. First priority integers ಅನ್ನೋದು. 6 plus 3 9, 13 minus 9 ಅನ್ನೋದು. What is the remaining value? 4. After that fractions adding ಅನ್ನೋದು. 9 minus 1 8. 3 by 8 means written 6 by 16 ಅನ್ನೋದು. 3 by 8 means written 6 by 16. 9 minus 1 8. 8 minus 6 2. Then it is 2 by 16 ಅನ್ನೋದು. 2 by 16 means 1 by 8. Which option? First option. Next question number 44. 18.4 into 12.5 into something, it is equal to 2208. 18.4 means written 184 by 10 or not. 12.5 means it is 100 by 8 or not. 100 by 8 into something, it is equal to how much value? 2208. First left hand side numerator 0, right left hand side denominator 0 cancel or not. 8 how many times? 184. 8 2s are 16. 8 again 3 times or not. Okay. 23 left hand side, right hand side ending with 8. 23 and 8 means ending with 6. Ending with 6, denominator value 10. Answer 9.6. Left hand side 3, right hand side 8 means how many times are possible? 6 times or not? How many options are ending with 6? Only one option or not? Next question, question number 45. What is the right hand side value? 12 power something means left hand side also converted to 12 power something or not? 144 means it is 12 square means we written power 2 into 6 12 plus 22 1728 means it is which one cube? 12 cube. Already power 6. 3 6 are 18. Minus 18 or plus 18? Minus 18. 22 minus 18 4. 4 plus 12 16 or not? Entire question is depends on only powers or not? Next question number 46. 64% of 380 plus what percent of 620, it is equal to 478.8 or not? Okay. First 64% of 380. 64% of 380 means it is 50%, 10%, again 4% or not? Okay. Or 400% minus 20% or not? Either 64% of 380 or 380% of 64. Both are in same or different? Same. 400% minus 20% nothing but it is 380% value or not? What is the 100% value? 64. 200% 128. 400% 256. In that how much percent are subtracting? 20%. 10% 6.4. 20% 12.8. These two are subtracting or not? 256 minus 12.8. What is the remaining value? 244.8 or not? What is the 10% of 64? 6.4. 20% 12.8. Sorry, subtracting or adding? Subtracting. Ending with 3.2 or not? 25 minus 1 24. It is 243.2. It is subtracted from which one? 478.8 or not? Okay. What is the remaining value you are getting? 8 minus 2 6. 8 minus 3 5. 47 and 24 difference 23. Nothing but 235.6 or not? 235.6 is what percent of which value? 620 or not? This one we written 235.6 by 620 into 100 or not? Okay. numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros are cancelled or not? What is the units position? Numerator 6, denominator units position 2, possibility either 3 or 8, but how many options are ending with 8? 2 options are not. 62 4 the how much? 248, means it is less than 2480 or not? Less than 2480. Then answer 38 times or 48 times? 38 times. Question number 47. Cube root of 2744. It is which one cube? 14 cube or not? 14 how many times? 84. 6 times. Then answer is 6 cube or not? What is the 6 cube? 216. Next 48. 75% of square root of 6724 divided by which one? 3. Square root of 6724 means 72 or 78? 82. More than 80. 82. 75% means it is 3 by 4 or not? Into 82 or 88? 82. Divide by how much value? 3. 3 cancel or not? 82 by 4 means 82 by 4. 20.5 or not? It is added to which one? 60.5. Total it is 81. It is square of 9 or not? Next 49 question. 729. It is which one cube? 9. Means first value we are getting 9 into 156 or not? Plus 2576 divided by which one? 14 or not? 14 how many times? 1 time. What is the remaining value? 117. 14 8 is how much? 112. What is the remaining value? 56. 4 times or not? Okay. Minus 144 equal to something or not? Okay. First 9 into 6. 54. Ending with 4 or not? 4 minus 4, 0. How many options are ending with 4? 2 options or only 1 option? 2 options. 184 minus 144 means what is the difference value? 40. 9 into 156. 9 into 100. 900. 9 into 50. 450. Means 1350 or not? 9 6 54. 1350 plus 54. Total it is 1404 or not? It is added to which one? 40. Then total answer 1444 or not? Which option? Fifth one. Question number 50. 32% of square root of 784 divided by 0.01. 32% means written 32 by 100 into square root of 784 means 28 divided by 0.01 or not? 100 into 0.01 means 1 or not? 32 into 28. It is 30 square minus 2 square or not? 30 square minus 2 square. What is the 30 square? 900 minus 2 square 4. 900 minus 4. 896. Out of this one, how much value are subtracting? 542. What is the remaining value? 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. Ending with 54. 354 or not? Next, question number 51. Case letter given related to partnership concept. A invested 10,000 in a business at the beginning of the year. After few months, B invested 15,000 in the same business. At the end of the year, A received 8,000 as his share of the profit for the year. In the next year, A and B again invested the same amount as they did in the previous year for the whole year. After 3 months, C invested 25,000 and received 3,000 as his share of the profit at the end of the year. Okay. One is given first year. One is given first year. Second one are second year. Total how many years data? 2 years data. In first year, what is the A investment? 10,000. And at the beginning of the year, after few months, B invested 15,000 in the same business. Means A invested for how many months? 12 months. Next, B invested 15,000. But 15,000 are used for some time or total time? Some time. Next, at the end of the year, A received how much profit? 8,000. Means only A profit are given how much? 8,000. Okay. Next, what is the second one? In the next year, A and B again invested the same amount or different amount? Same amount. A invested how much value? 10,000 into how many months? 12 months. A and B invested same amount as they did in the previous year for the whole year. Okay. Means A invested 12 months, B also invested 12 months. Or the B investment 15,000 used for how many months? 12 months. Next, after 3 months, which one are joined? C joined. Means C investment is 25,000 used for how many months? 9 months. 9 months. Okay. And one more, and he received 3,000 as his share of the profit at the end of the year. Nothing but only C profit are given. Okay. First, solving this one, we are get the ratio with second year values are solving, we are get the profits ratio of 3 persons or only 1? 3 persons. 5 how many times? 2. 5 how many times? 3. 5 how many times? 5 times or not? Again, 2 12s are, 3 12s are, 5 9s are. All are in 3 multiples or not? All are in 3 multiples. 3 how many times? 4. 3 how many times? 4. 3 how many times? 3 times. What is the first one? 8 parts. Second one? 12. Third one? 15 parts or not? It is second year ABC profits ratio or not? ABC profits ratio. And here, what is the C profit are given? 3,000. Means 15 parts is how much? 3,000. 15 parts are 3,000 means every one part are 200 or not? Every one part are how much? 200. Okay. It is basic data are given or not? Okay. What is the first question? What is the share of A in the profit of second year or first year? Second year. In second year, A getting how many parts profit? 8 parts. 15 parts 3,000 means 8 parts 600. A profit is how much? 1,600. A profit is how much? 1,600. Which option? Second option or not? It is only for second year or first year? Second year. Next, 52 question. B invested the company. B invested, second 52 question. B invested in the company after 6 months. What is the ratio of the share in the profit of A and B for the first year or second year? First year. B invested the money how many months? He invested the money after 6 months. Means is capital are used for how many months? 6 months or not? In first year or second year? First year. Means first year company. In first year B investment are how many months? 6 months. What is the first year A investment? 10,000. B investment 15,000. First year A time period are 12 months. B time period are 6 months or not? We are get the profits ratio of A and B in first year or second year? First year. 5 how many times? 2 times. 5 2 times. 5 how many times? 3 times. Again, any other cancellations? 3 again how many times? 4 times or not? Next, 2 how many times? 3 times or not? In first year, what is the profits ratio? 4:3 or not? Already 4 parts is given how much? 8,000. 4 parts are 8,000 means 3 parts are 6,000 or not? What is the question? Find the profit of A and B for the first year or second year. First year means we required only profits ratio or not? Answer 4:3. We required ratio or value? Ratio. What is the answer? 4:3. Next 53. If A invested is total amount received after the first year in scheme P, which offers compound interest at 10% per annum, what amount received after 2 years? A invested is total amount received after the first year. What is the A investment? 10,000 in first year. But A getting profit in first year? 8,000. Total investment? 18. Total how much value getting? 18,000. That 18,000 is the received amount in first year or second year? First year. It is reinvested in company, another company P, but it is offers compound interest 10% per annum for how many years? 2 years. 10% for 2 years means interest value 21. Amount value 121% or not? 10% for 2 years compound interest 21%, but we required amount received after 2 years. Nothing but we required 121% of which value? 18,000. 121 means 11 multiple or not? First option 11 multiple. Second option? No. Third option? Yes. Fourth option? No. Fifth option? Okay. 18,000 means initial investment plus profit or not? What is the initial investment? 10,000. Profit value 8,000. Total 18,000. That 18,000 is reinvested in scheme P or not? Scheme P rate of percent 10% for 2 years means he getting interest are 21%. Then amount value 121% of 18,000 or not? Ending with 80 or not? How many options? Only one or not? Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled, ending with 80 or not? Next question number 54. Find the total profit share of ABC in the second year or first year? Second year. Okay. Already 15 parts is how much? 3,000. 8 parts is how much? 1,600. 12 parts 2,400 or not? What is the total profit? 7,000 or not? ABC second year or ABC first year? ABC second year. 1,600 plus 2,400, 4,000. 4,000 plus 3,000, 7,000. Next question number 55. In the second year, after 3 months of C joined, D joined with a capital of how many rupees? 35,000. Find the share of D or not? Okay. In second year, after 3 months of which one are joined? C joined. D joined with a capital of how much? 35,000. What is the A investment? 10,000. In second year, A investment are how much? 10,000. Used for how many months? 12 months. B investment 15,000. Used for 12 months. What is the C investment? 25,000. Used for how many months? 9 months. But after 3 months of C joined, D also joined or not? Nothing but D capital are used for last 6 months or first 6 months? Last 6 months. What is the D investment? 35,000. Used for how many months? 6 months or not? Okay. We are get the profits ratio of 4% or only 1%? 4%. 5 2s, 5 3s, 5, 5 times 5, 7 times or not? Next. All are in 3 multiples or not? 3 4s, 4 times, 3 times again 2 times. 2 4s how much? 8. 3 4s 12. 5 3s 15. 7 2s 14. Already we know C profit or not? C profit is how many parts? 15 parts. 15 parts is how much? 3,000. Then 14 parts 2,800. ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో ఒక చిన్న విషయం, ఏఎండి కూడా చేయకుండా ఓన్లీ వీఆర్ టేకెన్ సిఎండి డేటా అన్నాడు. What is the C investment? 25,000. Used for how many months? 9 months. What is the D investment? 35,000. Used for how many months? 6 months. Okay, then we are get the already C profit are given, means we are get the which one profit? B profit. Only C and D are required, not required for A and B values. What is the answer? 2,800. Next 56. Data related to the number of students enrolled for a vocational course in 2 institutions J and K during how many years? 3 years or not? Okay, first in 2019 what is the J value? 150. 2019 what is the K value? 200 or not? In the same way 2020 what is the J value? 270 or not? 270. 2020 what is the K value? 280. Next 2021 what is the J value? 180. Next 2021 what is the K value? 250 or not? Okay, what is the first question? In 2021 20% of the students enrolled in institution J and 30% of the students enrolled in institution K were males. What was the total number of male students enrolled in institutions J and K together in 2021 or not? We required only male value or not? 20% of J value in 2021. What is the J value in 2021? 180. In that how much percent? 20%. What is the 20% of 180? 36. Next, out of the 250 how much percent? 30% or not? What is the 30% of 250? 75. Both are adding 111 or not? Which option? First one. Next question number 57. The number of students enrolled in institution J in 2020 is what percentage of the enrolled in institution K in 2019? J value in 2020. J in 2020 how much? 270 is what percent of K in 2019? 200 or not? We required in percentage multiplied by 100. Then answer 270 by 2. 135. Next 58 question. Wrong number series. 9, 5, 6, 10, 23, 60 and 183. 9 to 5 means into half plus half or not? Next 5 to 6 means into 1 plus 1. 6 to 10 means into 1 and half plus 1 and half or not? 6 into 1 and half? 9 plus 1 and half? 10.5. Then wrong number? 10 or not? In series only one wrong number or one more wrong number? Only one. Next question number 59. 37, 43, 60, 89, 131, 185 and 258. What is the first one difference? 6. Second one? 17 or not? Next one? 29. 6 and 17 difference? 11. 17 and 29? 12 or not? 11, 12 difference means next one? 13. 29 plus 13? 42 or not? Okay. 89 plus 42? 131 or not? Next. 11, 12, 13 means next one? 14. 42 plus 14? 56. 131 plus 56? 187. But here value? 185. Wrong number? 185 or not? Next question number 60. 6, 8, 19, 61, 259, 1251, 75, 13. 6 to 8 almost one time or not? 8 to 19 almost 2 times. 19 to 61 3 times or not? 61 to 249 4 times or not? Okay. 250 to 1250 almost 5 times or not? Next 1250 to 7500 almost 6 times or not? Okay. One by one verification. 6 ones are how much? 6 plus 2 means 8. 8 twos are 16 plus 3 or not. Next 19 3 is 57 plus 4 61 or not. Next one into 4 plus 5 or not. Into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4. Next one into 4 plus 5. 61 4 the 244 plus 5. 249. Wrong number. 259 or not. Only 1 or 2? Only 1 is the wrong number or not? What is the answer? 259. 61. 4, 6, 15, 46, 114, 244, 466. 4 and 6 difference. 2 or not? 6 and 15. 9. 15 and 46. 31. 46 to 114. 68. 68 means it is 4 cube plus 4 or not? 2 means it is 1 cube plus 1 or not? Okay. Obviously second one 2 cube plus 2 means this one are how much? 10 or not? 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10. 16 means 15 is the wrong number or not? Next one 3 cube plus 3 or not? What is the 3 cube plus 3? 30. 16 plus 30. 46 or not? What is the wrong number? 15. 62. 11, 15, 31, 76, 2, 11, 616, 18, 31. What is the first one difference? 4. Next one 16. Next one 45. Next one 135 or not? Next one difference 405. Next one difference 1, 2, 1, 5 or not? 1, 2, 1, 5. 405 to 1, 2, 1, 5. 3 times or not? 135 to 405. 3 times. 45 to 135. 3 times. Obviously in place of 16 if it is 15 or not? 15 3 is 45 or not? Next means this one 5 or not? 5 into 3 15. 11 plus 5. What is the first one? 5. 11 plus 5 16 means 15 is the wrong number or not? 16 plus 15 31. Data sufficiency. There are 3 partners, Amar, Akbar and Anthony in a firm which earns an annual profit of how much? 20,000. Find the profit of which one? Amar value or not? Required profit of Amar. What is the total profit of 3 persons? 20,000. Statement 1, profit of Akbar is twice of which one? Anthony. Statement 2, profit of Anthony is how much? 6,000. Combining the both statements or not? In second statement, which one data are given? Anthony. First statement, Akbar is twice of which one? Anthony. Anthony 6,000 means Akbar 12,000. Akbar 12, Anthony 6. 12 plus 6, 18. Out of 20, 18 complete means what is the remaining value? 2,000. The 2,000 will be Amar value or not? Then combining the both statements, we are get the answer. Which option? Third option or not? Next 64. Find the rate. Find the interest rate. Means we required R value or not? We required which one? R value. What is the statement 1? Principal becomes 2 times in 1 year at simple interest or compound interest? Simple interest. Becomes 2 times. Nothing but principal is 100%, amount are 200%, interest value 100%. Means 100% interest received in 1 year. Means rate of percent are 100 by 1 or not? Rate of percent is how much? 100 by 1. 1 alone is sufficient or not? Okay. 1 alone is sufficient or not? Next, second statement, principal becomes 4 times in 2 years at compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. Principal becomes 4 times. Suppose the principal value are 1 rupee, amount value are, what is the speed of S? Speed nothing but distance by time. What is the first statement? The relative speed between Q and R is how much? 10 km per hour. 1 alone sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Second statement, S takes 5 hours more than the which one? Q to cover a distance of 100 kilometers. S time compared to Q time, 5 hours more or 5 hours less? 5 hours less. We required S time means definitely we know the Q time or not. Q time are required means definitely we know the Q speed or not. What is the distance Q case? 100 kilometers. Q distance are given means definitely we know the Q speed value or not. But here Q speed are unknown or not. Then 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Combining the both 1 and 2. Combining the both 1 and 2. No. Relative speed between Q and R. It is which direction? Direction given or not given? Not given. Suppose it is opposite direction, we written Q plus R equal to how much? 10 or not? Or else Q minus R equal to how much? 10 or not? Okay, again how many unknowns? 2 unknowns or not? Then combining the both 1 and 2 also we are not get the answer. Means answer will be neither nor or both 1 and 2? Neither nor. Neither 1 nor 2. Okay.